In this full tutorial, I'm going to show you how to completely deactivate your Instagram Lite account. Before you deactivate that account, it is better keep up to date your Lite application. So go to Play Store or App Store, find and search Instagram Lite, then hit update. After updating, open your Instagram Lite application. After loading, tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Now tap the hamburger menu in the top right corner. In the pop-up window, you have to select the first one, Settings. After, you have to select Help. Then select again Help Center. Here you have to tap the hamburger menu next to Help Center. Now select the second one, Manage your account. In the next window, even if we are not going to delete our account, to get that deactivation option, you have to select this feature, Delete your account. After selecting that, you will get this option, Temporarily deactivate your Instagram account. I will scroll up a little bit. Then you have to select the first option. Once you select it, you will get a drop down menu like this. Then to deactivate your Instagram account, you have to use your browser. But if you tap instagram.com in blue color, they will redirect to inbuilt browser. Like this, I will show you to deactivate your account. First select this one, temporarily deactivate your Instagram account. Under that, you have to tap instagram.com in blue color. Let's tap that. Then you will be redirected to inbuilt browser. This is the kind of web version like earlier. Tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner. After loading, you have to select Edit Profile under your username. Open Edit Profile. Here, scroll all the way to the bottom until you find Temporarily deactivate my account in blue color. To deactivate your account, tap Temporarily deactivate my account. Then you will get this deactivation window. First, they will give some instruction you can go through. After that, they ask to select a reason. Then you have to re-enter your password. Then tap Temporarily deactivate account. First, I will provide a reason. Here, number of reason. If you select something else, you won't get any redirection or any suggestion. Straightforward to deactivate your account, select the last one, something else. After that, it will come here. Then you have to re-enter your password. Re-enter your password like this. After, I will minimize my keypad. Then to deactivate your account, you have to tap this button called Temporarily deactivate your account. After tapping that, you will get another pop-up window. In that pop-up window, tap Yes, continue. Then they will start to deactivate your account. But keep in mind, you can deactivate your accounts once within a week. Once you deactivate your account, you have to wait another week. As well as don't enter your login details and log back into your account to check it. Once you log back into your account, it will reactivate automatically. These are the basic instructions and how to deactivate your Instagram Lite account. That's it. Later.